powerful opposite words with example sentences. Come on, kids, let's start today's lesson. We are going to learn about opposites. Are you ready? Let's begin. The girl is sad, but the boy is happy. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. The tea is hot, but the water is cold. My grandmother is old, but my sister is young. The rock is hard, but the pillow is soft. My glass is full, but yours is empty. The school is near, but the market is far. The giraffe is tall, but the rabbit is short. The door is open, but the window is closed. The room is clean, but the street is dirty. The flower is beautiful, but the garbage is ugly. The king is rich, but the beggar is poor. The sugar is sweet, but the lemon is sour. The soldier is brave, but the crowd is afraid. The towel is dry, but the clothes are wet. The book is sick, but the notebook is thin. The blanket is soft, but the stone is hard. The sun is bright, but the cave is dark. Our team is win, but they will lose. The birds fly above while the fish swim below. The oceanus is deep, but the pond is shallow. Thanks for watching.